Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Fatty acid synthesis pathway. So this includes, first is the activation. Activation is of the acetyl CoA carboxylation. Then comes the elongation. In elongation, there is a malonyl CoA pathway. Then is a condensation step. Condensation is the covalent linking of the acetyl CoA, and also the malonyl CoA, and this is the release of the CoA and the carbon dioxide. Then comes the reduction step. Reduction step is acetoacetyl ACP to the beta hydroxybutyryl ACP. So this was the reduction step, the acetoacetyl ACP to the beta hydroxybutyryl ACP. This is using the up to 1 NADPH2. Then comes the dehydration step. So dehydration step means there is a beta hydroxybutyryl, this beta hydroxybutyryl ACP. This is the crotonyl. This is to the crotonyl ACP, and with the release of water molecule. So another reduction step is the movement of the crotonyl ACP to the butyryl ACP. This is using a second NADPH2. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.